In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Elementor in WordPress. Elementor is a powerful page builder plugin that allows you to design stunning WordPress websites with ease, even if you have no coding experience. Whether you're starting with a new site or looking to revamp your current one, Elementor makes the process intuitive and creative. So, let's dive into the steps to get you started with this must-have tool. First, you'll need to access your WordPress admin dashboard. Go ahead and log in using your credentials. Once you're in, you're on the main hub from where you can control everything related to your website. From the dashboard, head over to the Plugins section. You'll see this option in the left-hand sidebar. Plugins are essential in WordPress for adding new features and functionality. Now, it's time to add a new plugin. Click on the Add New button. This will take you to the New Plugins page where you can search from thousands of plugins available in the WordPress directory. In the search bar located on the right-hand side, type in Elementor. As you type, WordPress will start showing you results related to your search term. You should see Elementor Page Builder in the list of search results. It's usually the first option presented, and you can easily recognize it by its logo and name. Once you've located it, simply click on the Install Now button. It's important to ensure your internet connection is stable as the installation process depends on it. After clicking the button, WordPress will handle the download and installation process automatically. Sit tight for a few seconds until it's completed. Once Elementor is installed, the next step is to activate it so you can start using it on your site. You'll see an Activate button appear in place of the previous Install button. Clicking Activate tells WordPress to turn on the plugin and make it ready to use. Now that Elementor is activated, you'll be redirected back to the Plugins page, and you'll notice a new Elementor tab in your dashboard sidebar. Congratulations, you've successfully installed and activated Elementor on your WordPress site. You can now start using it to create beautiful web pages. A good tip is to familiarize yourself with the interface. Spend some time exploring Elementor features, like its drag and drop builder, which is one of the most user-friendly ways to customize your site. You might want to start with creating a few practice pages to get comfortable with the tools at your disposal. And there you have it, installing Elementor in WordPress is that easy. It's a powerful tool that can instantly transform your website's design possibilities. Thanks for watching, and enjoy crafting your stunning new pages with Elementor.